them two, they kill a house.
That's fine.
Okay, how about this? You guys go center, I'll go on to the left side again.
I've only been shot once. Or twice? I don't know.
It feels weird having.
But no, I'm surprised that they haven't shot me from running. I mean.
Oh, you hear the GoPros going, that means the game's starting.
Where are you going, dude?
Where are you going?
Center. Center left.
Alright, I'm going center
Alright,
right.
I'm gonna go to kill house. You guys watch out.
You're going one, I'll go two. Alright. I'll go one. Yeah. 1, 2.
Ready, sweetheart.
Careful, I'm gonna run right from you.
There you go, got him. Back left, we got back left. Got him. Good kill. Poke out. Hey! Oh, never mind. Is he still there? Give me visuals! Sorry, Ricky. There you go. Walker's out. I see him. Where? I got no movement. Right here?
No, like.
Right here?
Their side. Right front of you. DJ, right front of us. West Dorito.
Back right tires! Back right tires! One kill! Back right tires! Hey, give me a mag! Oh my god!
I'm out.
Oh, he's out! Fuck! You got a mag?
I'm sorry.
Oh, that was it? It's not even feeding. Shitty ass babies.
Did you break it?
No.
What's happening?
Give us call outs.
Okay.
5 lane rule? Yeah, I need a 5 lane rule.
Yeah, 50, 30.
Fuck! Oh, woo! Good shit, bro. Kill one. Kill two. Yeah. Kill three. Okay. Come on, ready? Kill four. Snake! Snake!
Hit someone in the head.
Hey, 420! 420! 420 Dorito! Okay. Yeah. Got him out. One kill. Yeah. Back right Dorito. I do. What? I'm on my last one. Got him. One kill. 530. He's tucking. He tucked. Two kill. Hit. Fuck. That was a good one. Alright guys, midday review. So I roughly have around 30 minutes for myself to pack up and go. But I haven't really filmed lately. You know, I've been taking time off, and I've played already, but I haven't recorded it. But a lot of new stuff has happened. So earlier in the video, you saw me play with my Euro style ESG style gun. On my birthday, which passed this month, I picked up a Polestar Jack. Look at the boys right there. Look at the boys right there. I picked up an AAP with a monk adapter. So yeah, I love this gun to death. I've been wanting one for a long time. So this pistol is probably my favorite pistol out of all. But yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a short gameplay or a short video, but wanted to give you guys a mid-game review while I'm waiting to get respawned back in. So that's what's up. It's been happening to me so far. I'm glad to record for you guys. I don't know if I should do a review on this or just a total review. There's a lot of videos about the AP01 and there's a lot of videos about the Jack. So I'll just do like a general review in a future video. I have a new loadout, and yeah, so enjoy this next clip, this next round, and yeah, here we go. I got one mag left. One mag. Give me one more. You got one more? Oh, perfect. I love you. What, a 2.5s? Yeah. Oh, 3.2s. Got you.
You got 3.2s?
No, I was joking. I got 2.5s. One kill! Talk to me, Ricky. All right. Hey, he's poking out the fucking Dorito. Right here, white. It's Chris. He's really poking out. I'm gonna run up. I'm gonna run up. Two kill. Who? Reload. Clear. What happened? Hey, good shit, boy. Ricky, appreciate it, man. What up, guys? So that is the end of the day for me. There's still games happening, but I'm gonna head home. I'm kind of tired, but yeah, that was a good round. Like I said, in the midday or in the middle of the field when I was on respawn, a lot happened since last video and now. I bought a Polestar Jack again. I bought an AAP, so on and so forth. I won't do reviews on those because there's tons of reviews of Polestar Jacks and AAPs on YouTube. But I'll just do like a general overview of what I have now, more of like a a gear loadout review. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm here filling up my HPA bottle, and gonna head out. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, like and subscribe, leave some comments if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.